Crocamole.
Perfect. Thanks. Okay, your turn.
Oh, okay. This green hat looks good. And what about this green fur?
Yeah, put that on.
Okay, there you go, Truffle.
Thank you.
I wonder what that's going to look like.
Yeah, it's gonna be silly.
Yeah, really silly.
What about this one?
Oh, even sillier.
Oh, can I hide in the trees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at all this stuff.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, it's a tail. I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah, good idea.
Wow.
Croc, would you like some more green?
Yeah, that one's sparkly.
Okay, a big cape for you, Croc.
Yes, please, yes, please.
Oh, great work.
Perfect. Oh, thanks, Molly.
You're welcome.
Wow, we look great.
We sure do.
Here we go. Big reveal.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Can you see where we are?
Oh, we're camouflaging into the grass.
Ooh.
Can you guess what I am? I look like a stick. Guess if you can. I live in the twigs. I am in a tree. I'm a stick insect as happy as can be.
Can you guess what I am? I hide in the grass. Guess if you can. I blend with my colours. I'm hard to see. I am a lion, can't you see?
Ooh, I'm going to be an animal now.
Okay.
Can you guess what I am? I have a long tail. Guess if you can. I hop and I blend. I'm hard to see. Kangaroos come and bounce with me. Can you guess what I am? I croak a lot. Guess if you can. I hide in the water. I live in the bog.
Ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, I'm a frog.
Look at us, we're frogs.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Green frogs.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.